Hi! In this video I will show how to do bubble stitch, like these bubbles that sticks out, look like this, and how to do a bubble stitch decrease. And this is from my sheep pattern, so I will show you examples from here. So between all the bubble stitches there are single crochets, that's why they are a little bit distance, but in some patterns they are bubble stitches right after each other. So you start by yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn over, up, one loop. Now yarn over and go through the two first loops, and then you do the same, yarn over, insert in same stitch, grab the yarn and take up a loop, and then yarn over and go through the two first loops. So now you have 3, and you did 2, and now you will do third, same thing, yarn over into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, but you did 3. Now you will do the last 4th, yarn over, insert into the stitch, same stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over the 2 first loops. Now you have 5 loops. If you want to make the bubble even more, a little bit bigger, you can do 1 more time, but I will just, then the common one is only 4 times, so it's like 4 halfway double crochets that you do. Yarn over, the last thing you will pull through all loops. Now a bubble stitch is done, and to secure it, make a single crochet on the next according to the pattern, and then you have to push it out and a little bit pinch it like a pimple so it comes out. Sometimes I go, when I did some, I go back and just push them out, just so they, because sometimes they can actually go on the other side, so you have to push them out so they look better, and pinch a little bit. And if they are, you already passed, you can take a hook and just push it out from the behind. Now we do one more. Yarn over into the stitch, grab and take out the loop, yarn over 2 first loops, yarn over into the same, grab the yarn, up with the 1 loop, yarn over 2 first one, and then you continue this totally 4 times, or 5 if you want, and then last one. And then secure it. Okay, so how do you do a decrease? Decrease is like that, because decreases you have to take 2 stitches into 1. So you do the same thing, it's just that you will divide it in 2 stitches. Yarn over into the next stitch, grab the yarn, up a loop, yarn over and 2 first one, and then same thing. Now you did 2, yarn over, now you will go into the next one and you do the same, and then you go. Now I did the bubble stitch in 2 stitches, and then yarn over. So it's very simple. So now I did a decrease. very simple. And if you do 5, then you do maybe 2 or 3 in the first one, and then the rest in the other one. So it's very easy to do a decrease. So that's it. Thank you.